Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we were invited to the Philippine Army Gym through our non-profit called Well Balanced World. We first provided a health talk about the benefits of chiropractic care, and then we demonstrated the power of the chiropractic adjustment. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications.
Yung kaliwa ka lang kayo.
Pakanan naman.
Wow!
Dami, sir.
Paano hood?
Sir, madagdagan.
Wala limit siya, sir. Sir, sinasaktan ka na, sir.
Yung gusto mo, sir, diba, sa lista?
Balik-balikan.
Ayun! Sir, namumula ka po, sir. Sir, namumula ka po.
Ganun talaga kami mga design. Hindi masarap.
Go. On your back.
Sir, paborito mo.
Yan.
Yan ang last. Yan yung pinaka-worst. Ganyan yung ginagawa.
Pantay na. Pantay na, oh. Pantay na, sir. Alright. 5 laps.
Feels nice.
Kaya dalawang lalaki. Kasi baka
Erwin Diantesa. I am the operation officer dito sa SSC. Yeah, it really feels good, maganda. Nakakarinig, maganda. Masarap ang pakiramdam.
Enjoyed this video, click on the like button and leave a comment below. We post weekly chiropractic videos. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. There are more videos on our visit to the Philippine Army Gym. To continue watching another video, the one above here is the one I chose, and the one down here is what YouTube chose for you. See you soon, take care and be well.